Hello, welcome to Create with Kiran. Today we are going to make homemade clay or air dry clay. This clay is very inexpensive, easy to handle, non toxic. You also can let your kids play with this clay because its drying time is little more as compared to other clay. So in this video we will learn how to make clay first. Then I will tell you its advantages and disadvantages, how to preserve, how to use, and lastly we will learn how to make a tea light candle holder by using this clay. So don't skip the video in between. And if you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends because that's motivate me a lot. So let's get started. Here I'm taking a pot. Into this I'm adding half cup of cornstarch and same quantity of white glue. You can add any kind of white glue. Mix it well. Avoid any lumps. See, we need this type of consistency. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar here because we are going to preserve this clay. You can add lemon juice instead of vinegar. 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm adding vegetable oil here. You can add baby oil or any kind of oil. Now I'm adding little bit of white acrylic color. Without this color, our clay will turn transparent. So we need little bit of color. Cook this mixture, turn on the gas and just stir the mixture. This takes less than 1 minute to cook. So stir continuously and avoid any lumps. You can see the mixture is starting to separate from the sides of pot and sticking to my spatula. That means our clay is ready. Now we will knead this clay. For this I am applying some lotions on the surface and on my hand also, so that the clay will not stick to my hand. We are going to knead this dough even it's hot because it's air dry clay. It starts to dry when it comes in contact with air. Knead as much as you can, because the more you will knead, the more flexible and soft your clay will be. I think it's done. Let's check it. See, when you pull one portion, it should come like this shape, like a teardrop. Okay, our clay is ready to use now. Now I will show you how to color this clay. So to color this clay, I am taking one acrylic color, one oil color and one watercolor. You can add any color like food color, chalk pastels or any pigments, or you can color directly on it after it dries. Personally, I like oil color because it's so smooth and not flaky at all. I use this clay for making home decor items, flowers, jewelries you can check it on my channel. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to write on the comment box. Now I'll show you how to use this clay. I am using a butterfly cutter. See how beautiful it is. This clay is very good for making sculptures, clay murals and flowers. You can make very thin petals with it, and they are very strong as well. I am not using any lotion, Vaseline powder or oil because it's non-sticky. It doesn't require anything. See how beautiful are these? This I made before. These are completely dried. You can see the difference here. It's smaller than this because this clay shrinks little bit. This clay is lightweight and strong enough, so you can make jewelry like bangles, necklaces, earrings by using this clay. Always keep your clay away from open air, so use Ziploc bag or wrap it with plastics. This doesn't need refrigeration, so you can normally keep it in an airtight container. This clay stays intact if you store like this even after 4 to 5 months. Let's quickly discuss about the advantages of this clay. As you have seen this before, this is very cost efficient and non-toxic as we have not used any chemicals here. Easily you can make it at home within very less time, and it's non-sticky. You can add any type of color into it. It takes more time to dry. That means you can mold your project as much as you can within that time, or kids can play more. You can store it for future, and normally it takes 24 to 40 hours to dry depending upon the thickness of your project. And disadvantages are it shrinks 20 to 30%, but your design of the project will not get affected that much. And sometimes it cracks because it has moisture. It needs to dry properly, and if you stick it directly on the glass or wood before it dries, it will crack sometime. So always dry before you stick it on any surface. Now let's make an easy tea light candle holder by using this clay.